How to change Google password. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. If you are worried about your Google account security, you need to simply first open Google app. Make sure to log into your particular account of which you want to change the password of. Now head towards profile icon at top right corner of the screen. A menu box open where you need to tap on manage your Google account. At top of the screen, you will see different options like home, personal info, data and privacy, and many more. So simply you need to tap on personal info. From this page, you simply need to scroll to the bottom of the screen until you find the option of password. So you need to click on password. So you'll be prompted to enter your current password to verify your identity. After entering your correct password, you need to click on the next button. And now you will have the option to enter a new, strong, and memorable password for your account. You can type your new password in the first box and re enter it in the second box to confirm. Once you have entered your password, click on Change Password to finalize the process. And then your Google account password will be successfully changed. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.